Do the more.
What, bitch?
Do the more.
Yeah, whoa.
Do the more.
Yeah, woo.
Do the more.
Yeah, whoa. Damn.
Niggas tryna flex like Mar. Fuck bitches, no X like Mar.
Yeah.
Pull up in
What's
that
up, guys? Welcome back to another moto vlog. Today I'm about to head out to Johnston, South Carolina. I'm actually about to meet up with my group, my biker group, at some truck stop, and then we're all gonna ride up there together because they're doing some type of car and bike show up there today. They posted the flyer all over the bike meet group on Facebook, so I think we got a pretty decent sized group today that's gonna be meeting up there, and we're all gonna ride out together. I'm gonna be riding on Dory, of course, and it's gonna be fun. Of course, I'll take some videos at the car show on my phone, and then I'll also include some of the videos from the ride from my helmet camera. So yeah, let's go. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah.
Scholarships this month alone because we believe everyone deserves a chance.
Ooh, I call it silly head, cause she give me silly head. Ooh, I call it silly head, she give me silly head. Yeah. She licking on my balls and on my pubic hair. Whoa. I call it silly head, she give me silly head. Yeah. She licking on my balls and on my pubic hair. Whoa. She slurping on my cock while I'm in a rocking chair. Damn. Can't fuck her, she ran through, I bet her pussy square. Bitch. I call it silly head, she give me silly head. Whoa. She licking on my balls and on my pubic hair. On the dick, she don't use no lube. Nah. Got me so hard, dick frozen like an ice cube. She slurping on the dick just like a vacuum. Nut on her face like snot, then I say bless you. Yeah, this little bitch, she so silly. She called my ding-a-ling a big black willy. Shove it down her throat, she cough like spicy chili. Yeah. She say I fuck her better than her cousin Billy. Whoa. Put it in her ass, she say whoa there. Whoa there. Pound them cheeks while I'm yanking on her hair. She so small, she thought I was a grizzly bear. Broke her back, put her in a wheelchair. Lilmar. I call it silly head, yeah. She give me silly head. Whoa. She licking on my balls and on my pubic hair. I call it silly head, yeah. She give me silly head. Whoa. She licking on my balls and on my pubic hair. She slurping on my cock while I'm in a rocking chair. Can't fuck her, she ran through, I bet her pussy square. I call it silly head, she give me silly head. She licking on my balls and on my pubic hair.
right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely had a great day yesterday. It was a great ride with the group. It was a nice car show. I saw a ton of amazing cars. I love them Corvettes and that Lexus. That Lexus was the sickest Lexus that I've ever seen. And yeah, there was some really nice builds there. A lot of them with the air suspension. I'm really disappointed I never got the air suspension on my Chrysler, but it is what it is. But anyways, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a combination of both a bike ride and a car video, because this is the first time I actually combined them. Usually I just take my car to the car meets, but this time I took the bike to the car meet, so I got to do a motor vlog and a car video. So yeah, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at The Real Lilmar. Follow me on Snapchat, Whoa Lilmar. And yeah, no, for real, that way, yeah.